Change my heart, oh God. Make it ever true. Change my heart, oh God. May I be like you. Change my heart, oh God. Make it ever true. Change my heart, oh God. May I be like you. You are the potter.
Amen. Please be seated. As we think about who we are as Christians and the idea that God is in our life, that Christ is in our life, we ought to pray that prayer every day. Change my heart, O God. Because if Jesus Christ truly is in our lives, we would show that. The evidence of that would be in our changed lives, in a life lived well, in a life that's pleasing and glorifying to God. I pray that each and every one of us feels that every day. If you're a kid, big or small, and you want to come up for the children's moment, now is the time to do it. Look how all those excited faces just come marching up here. How are you guys today?